I'm recording the base of a stockpile, where the stockpile meets the base of the stockpile yard. Mike Rutledge, worked for Oxbow Calcining. Been at this particular plant for 35 years now. My particular responsibilities are material management, of which could be anywhere from 40,000 tons to upwards to 120,000 tons of material in our yard. Oxbow provides petroleum coke product to the aluminum industry. One of the particular issues that we had with the amount of material that we have in our plant is controlling the inventory. We struggle with it quite a bit, so started looking at some new technology that was available to help us with control, and was introduced to SITECH and the TRIMBLE unit. And we've been using it now for about 4 months, in that we measure the base of all our stockpiles, and as we consume, we go back, measure, and verify that we've consumed everything that's in a particular pile of material. You can always go back and reference, as we use this material, that we don't leave any extra material in the yard. One of the side benefits of the particular TRIMBLE unit that we have is in a recent project, we laid down water pipe for a rainbird control system. We measured the location of the pipe. We'll know that years from now, the measurement that's given on the rainbird measurement, or the TRIMBLE unit, that we can find the pipe with no issue at all, no matter how much material's over that particular area. Pretty cool because it's mapped out. They can go back, like I said, however many years. Whenever we purchased this particular unit of TRIMBLE unit, I had absolutely no experience using survey equipment. So I had no idea. I knew what I wanted but didn't know how to get there, and so the equipment was quite foreign to me. SITECH provided certainly plenty of help in educating me on the use of the equipment. Trust me, and they're there whenever I call them. They were very helpful in introducing me to the unit that we have, showing us the benefits of having a particular product. I felt like that it had to be something that was fairly mobile, wanted something other easy to use, and so I have a permanent base station. I've got a rover and a handheld unit, something I can carry around with me at a whim and measure my inventory in the stockpile yard. I feel like that our purchase of the TRIMBLE unit through SITECH has been an excellent choice for us. What I've seen so far is reliability in the product and dependability on SITECH's part. It's actually recording the measurement. I record the base of each stockpile that we have in the yard. What I've found in working with SITECH is that anytime I give them a call, somebody calls back shortly or answers the phone when I call. They have an answer for the question. If not, within a short amount of time, there's someone that comes and actually gives me hands-on training with the TRIMBLE unit.